Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show y'all my little unit right here real quick. But yeah, it's supposed to be HD lace or whatnot, and then it's transparent, so it's supposed to blend in and melt down very seamlessly. You can just pop it on your head just like this and cut the lace and lay it down, but I think I am going to bleach the knots right here. That's the knots, the hair that they put in onto the lace or whatnot. So I think I do want to bring that color up a little bit, make it lighter. And then let me show you guys the inside construction. This is the inside construction of the wig. So this is what like a deep part or a side part wig construction looks like. It's just lace only down the middle where the part is. And then like on the edges of the wig, it's lace. But everywhere else, it's just like the regular wig. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looks like before I customize it. I'm just gonna like I said, just bleach the knots a little bit, and I may tweeze the hairline a little bit to make it look a little bit more natural. So now I'm about to bleach the knots. I just want to show you guys that process really quick. And then these are the two products I'm going to be using. This BW2 bleach, and then the Clairol 20 standard lift developer right here. So I'm going to be using these two products. And I got my mask on if I sound kind of muffled, and I got my little kitchen gloves. You know, that's all I could get my hands on at the moment. Or like a full little cup full of this bleach into like my little mixing cup right here. I'm gonna do like 1 part of developer. Just gonna mix that together. And then you'll want like a just like a kind of thick consistency, kind of similar to toothpaste, kind of like how it's looking. And now I'm about to go ahead and apply it. Now I'm about to just let this sit for maybe like 15-20 minutes. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I rinsed it out, but I feel like the deep part, I have it inside out so you guys can't really see, but I felt like the deep part didn't get light enough. So I'm just about to just mix a little bit of that bleach and developer just one more time. And then I'm going to bleach just this deep part one more time. And I'm probably only going to leave it on for like 5 minutes. So I rinsed out the bleach on that second bleach, and then I went ahead and put some conditioner on the hair. So I'm probably just going to let the conditioner sit for like an hour. After I rinsed out the bleach, I used this neutralizing shampoo. It just basically stops the bleaching process. It stops the hair from bleaching and getting lighter. And then I used a little bit of this Shimmer Lights conditioner. I think that they make this in a shampoo as well. And it's just basically a purple conditioner, and it takes away like that orangey color after you bleach your hair. This is the conditioner that I had just put on the hair right now. I really love this conditioner. I love using it on my bundles and on my wigs and everything. I'm gonna let this conditioner sit on for like an hour, rinse it out, and you guys will probably see it again when it's dry and everything. Hey y'all, so I'm going to be doing some of the video voiceover style. So I just wanted to show y'all the wig. This is the next day after I had let it air dry, and then I just showed y'all what the box looks like. And now I'm about to sew on an elastic band. I like doing this with all of my wigs because it gives me more security, and you can wear your unit glueless, so you won't have to use any adhesive. So I'm just sewing it on really quick. You know, my sewing skills, they aren't the best, but nobody's gonna see it, so it really doesn't even matter. So now it's time to tint the lace. That's my Eben tinted lace, and then I got the color light warm brown, and then I just put it up against my arm so you guys can see that it's a pretty good match for me. I'm just putting my hair dryer to it on like a cool setting, because I do find that it does transfer. It's kind of like makeup. You could also use makeup instead if you wish. And then I think I also had went in with a second layer, and I also blow dried that layer as well. This product right here is supposed to conceal the grids on the lace, and I picked it up in the shade Natural, and I had only used it down the middle part, and I really liked it. Right now I'm just wetting the hair because I'm just going to do just a little bit of tweezing. And the way that the unit is made, it's not much room in the front. It's just maybe like enough hair for like your edges and then the track start. So I wasn't able to do that much plucking. And lastly, I had went ahead and flat ironed the unit, because after I had rinsed out that conditioner, it had reverted back to like a wavy state. So I went ahead with my flat iron with a little bit of argan oil to straighten the hair back out. And yes, the unit is giving body. She's giving luster. Like, yes, it's looking really good. Hey guys, so I got on my wig cap, as you guys can see. I'm all braided up underneath. So I'm not going to do the ball cap method. I'm going to do like a fake ball cap method that I think lovely Brianna on YouTube was talking about. She was just talking about like putting like your foundation powder along like your hairline to kind of fake it. That way you don't have to worry about like losing any edges or anything. This is my Fenty powder in shade 290. I'm just about to apply some of this to like my hairline or whatnot. I think this is like my first time doing it like this, or doing this hack, so hopefully it works. I haven't never even done the ball cap method. I gotta practice that like ahead of time. I don't want to mess that up. But I'm just doing this, and maybe I'll just add a little bit more down the middle, where like my middle part is gonna be. I actually have somewhere to go, so I need to hurry up, and it's actually Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas everybody. I'm about to put this wig on. And it is kind of snug. Okay. Let me just brush it out. I didn't over pluck it. But then again, I don't think it was quite in the middle. So she's looking cute. Okay, now I am going to grab some of these clips and clip like the hair back while I cut the lace. I don't know who started this hack where you like cut the lace into sections. probably not even gonna wear the hair pulled back. So yeah, I know that the hairline is still pretty thick, but that's how like the wig was made. It's not like a full frontal wig. So I am gonna mainly have it like falling towards like my face. So it does still like look a little dense or whatnot. Okay, so when it came time to apply the unit, your girl had to focus, like, and I'm actually using the Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and this stuff was pretty good. I had went ahead and applied one layer, and then I had got my blow dryer out again and got it dry, or got it to like a tacky state. And then I had my blow dryer on a cool setting, and I believe I had done 2 layers. Now I'm pulling down the lace and I'm trying to melt it down. I got my rat tail comb out. Just using my rat tail comb to press the unit down onto the spray. Oh, I didn't drop the comb and everything. So at this point, I had used some of that hair tape to hold down the lace, and then while that was holding, I had went up and changed my clothes. So now I am cutting off that tape. Got stuck up in my hair, and then now I'm finally cutting the lace. So this is an eyebrow razor that you can just get from like the beauty supply or Amazon. And then all of the girls on YouTube, they like use this because it's supposed to give like a rigid end to the lace so that it doesn't look as straight across and not as noticeable. But it worked for the most part, but I think that I did, or I know that I definitely did go in with some scissors because, you know, that little razor doesn't get everything. But again, this was very tedious. Definitely take your time. And I didn't want to speed up some of these clips so that you guys can, you know, really see like what I'm doing. I'm definitely not a pro. Definitely not a pro whatsoever. But I just want y'all to see, you know, what I was doing. So I didn't speed up a lot of these clips. And yeah, don't be afraid to go back in with your lace adhesive spray. I definitely needed to use it again to reinforce some areas. And then right here, I'm just taking out just like a few baby hairs, you know, to kind of conceal the lace or whatnot. Because, you know, lace is lace. Like, it's never really going to disappear. So you need to create like a little distraction. So that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm just cutting off even more lace, like. I think that it came out pretty good. I think that I did a decent job. I'm still a beginner. This stuff right here is really, really good. It feels really secure and it feels like it's down very well. I have somewhere to go. Wish I had more time to curl it. I might come back and show you guys like how it looks curled. I did add a little bit of my Fenty. I got hair all over it. I did add a little bit of my Fenty concealer, and I just used like a liner brush to kind of go down the part, and I just kind of blended it out with my finger. But yep. And what else did I use? Oh yeah, and I did use a little bit of my mousse to smooth out the top. I didn't put any heat on it. I just brushed it out just like this. I just did like a little swoop in the front. This is like a nice beginner deep part wig. Like I said, it's not like a full frontal, so you are limited to just like down the middle. But I was thinking about like moving it to like the side or whatnot. I was gonna do that. And yeah, I think that it looks cute. I'm gonna try to come back maybe like another day and show you guys like how it looks curled. But until next time, take care, y'all.